There ain't one tree left. Holy cow. There's 2 left. Good gosh. Oh my gosh. If I can only zoom in. Nancy and Ross's is completely underwater. Oh. There's 2 trees left. Oh, good gosh. Hold on. Using my... Oh, it looks like a bomb has went off. I hope the wind don't get me. Oh my gosh. Never thought. Look, this one here is coming up. Oh, yep, that's the last 2 trees standing. That one and that one. Oh, and that puny thing. That's horrible. All right, I can't